Hey everyone, my name is Siobhan and I'm joining you here today on the Look Fantastic YouTube channel. I'm so excited to show you my take on a Euphoria inspired makeup look with a little bit of glitter, with a little bit of glam, my own twist. I'm so excited. I used all Look Fantastic products and I cannot wait to show you. Please go ahead and check out my YouTube channel after you've watched this video. My link will be in the description box down below. If you haven't already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that notification bells. Check it out, and if you'd like to see how to create this makeup look, then please carry on watching. Just a little cut into this intro. If you want to spice up this makeup look even more, you can add some pretty gems which I have here around the eyes. To start off with, I've already got a primed lid and my brows done just to save a little bit of time, and I'm going to be taking the Lime Crime Venus No. 3 palette right here, which has some beautiful pinky purple shades in, and to start I'm going to take the shade Bliss, which is this really warm kind of movie blush kind of shade, and I'm going to use that to define my crease. I'm just going to start by packing that on the outer corner of my eye, just building that up, and then I will just tap that through the crease. Now we've got the colour Payoff I want, I'm just going to start by doing some little circles just to blend out the shadow, just really carefully. I'm now just going to pop that under the lower lash line as well by looking up into a mirror and then just start patting it on. I'm going to go quite heavy on the lower lash line. I'm now going to dip into this shade right here, which is called Dreamy, which is like a lighter tone of this shade here called Bliss. It's like a mauvey pink. I'm going to take it on a really small fluffy brush and just use it to blend out this edge. Just in little circular motions, just around the edges of that shade. Don't be afraid to bring it right up to that brow. That blended together so easily. I'm now going to take a cotton bud and some micellar water. This is a really good trick for getting a sharp cut crease. So I'm just going to load it up on the cotton bud and just sweep it through the socket and then wipe away any excess product. I'm not taking it all the way across because I'm going to do a nice like half cut crease where it kind of fades out at the outer edge. I've just quickly popped some eyeshadow base onto the area that we cleaned out of shadow, ready for the shimmer shade. So now I'm going to take this beautiful shade here called Beam, which is the shimmery pinky purple shade, completely up my street. I love these kind of like fairy pink purple tones. So I'm going to pop that on the inner section of the lid. So pretty. Then for this other half of the lid, I'm going to take this beautiful purple shade right here called Paradise. I'm going to pop it onto the lid. I'm just going to take kind of like the flat of the brush that has a little bit of that dark purple and just kind of like tickle over the middle of the lid, and that will kind of blend the two colours together. I'm now just going to pop on a little bit of mascara. This is the Revlon Volumizing Mascara. I'm now going to go off camera and pop on some lashes, and then we'll move on to the face. Moving on to the face, now I have my lashes on. I'm going to take the Illamasqua Hydra Veil. I have never tried this before and I'm super excited to try it. I feel like it's going to add a really nice moisturised base to the look, and I feel like with a Euphoria inspired kind of editorial makeup, a really good base is essential. I'm just going to smooth this all over the skin. Ooh, kind of like jelly. Oh my god, this feels so refreshing on the skin. It kind of like bursts. This is lovely. It kind of like bursts on the skin and feels so hydrating. For foundation, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Natural Beige. I'm going to be popping it on with a beauty sponge. I have just fake tanned prior to this video, so this might have developed during this video, but I'm sure it'll be absolutely fine. It's nothing like a fresh foundation. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is in the shade Vanilla, and I'm going to use it to kind of highlight my face. I'm going to pop some onto my chin, in the middle of my eyebrows, and then also under my eyes as well. I like a lot of concealer. Next, I'm taking this super interesting blush. This is the Daniel Sandler Watercolor Liquid Cheek Colour in the shade So Pretty. It is literally liquid, but I feel like it would be perfect for that really nice, soft, kind of natural-ish looking blush. So what I'm going to do is just squeeze a little bit of this just onto my middle two fingers and then just tap this across the cheeks. Adding a nice kind of natural glow to my cheek. I'm just going to take my sponge and just go over the top of this to kind of blend it into the skin. Now I'm going to set all of this into place with the Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Powder. I love this powder, it's so good, makes your makeup stay on all day. I'm not doing any baking, I'm just going to set my face. I'm now going to do some contouring with the beautiful Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette, which comes with a beautiful heart opening, which is so cute. You just open it up and it does actually smell like chocolate. It's amazing. So I'm going to take the shade Medium Contour, which is right here. And I'm just going to go under my cheekbones and around kind of the outer perimeters of my face, maybe a bit down my nose if I'm feeling it, just to add some structure to the face. Bring that back into the temples a little bit. Take that under the jaw as well. I'm just going to dip a teeny little bit into light contour, which is right here, just to go down the sides of my nose. And then I'm going to take a kind of mixture of the shades Light Highlight and Medium Highlight right here. The medium one is like a yellow kind of banana tone, and the light one is more of like a ivory bone shade. I'm going to mix them together and pop it where I put the concealer to really brighten up the face. I'm now going to pop on some blush. I know I have the Daniel Sandler watercolour blush, but it's quite subtle, so I want to really intensify it. So I'm going to take the Too Faced Papa Don't Peach blush, which is actually one of my favourite blushes. It's just so flattering on the skin. So I'm going to pop that onto the kind of higher apples of my cheeks. Just adds such a nice glow to the cheek. Next is something I'm quite excited for, which is the Lime Crime Freckle Pen. I just feel like it just makes makeup look so cute, so I'm going to kind of dot some random dots like across my nose and my cheeks. Fingers crossed it looks good. This is in the shade Amber, by the way, so it's a lighter pen. Now I'm going to set this into place with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Lock that in. Now I'm going to take this beautiful highlight. This is from Illamasqua. This is in the shade, oh my god, this is the Beyond powder, which looks like this. It's so stunning, so luxurious looking. It just looks like icing. I almost want to eat it. I'm going to pop that on my cheekbone, a little bit on the tip of my nose because it's super cute, a little bit above the brow, highlight the face. Oh my god, that's beautiful. So like iridescent. I just quickly put some mascara on my lower lashes. Now it's time for lips. I'm going to take the Lime Crime Platform Lip Liner. To make your lips appear bigger, I love using a darker coloured lip liner and then applying a lighter coloured gloss to the middle. Okay, once I've got a good shape, I'm going to basically fill in most of the lip with a lip liner. And then I'm going to top it off with the Lime Crime Wet Cherry Gloss in the shade Naked Cherry. To now make this a super pretty makeup look, I'm going to add some glitter. This is the Sleek Glitter Fest Biodegradable Glitter, which is in this shade Pink. And I think I'm going to actually pop some in my inner corner. I think that'll look really pretty. Just a little touch. Just a glisten of sparkle. To apply that, I'm going to take a little bit of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glitter Adhesive and just pop a little bit on the inner corner and let it kind of dry a little bit and then pop it on with a brush. To help pick up the glitter, I'm just going to spritz my brush a little bit of the setting spray. Now I'm just dipping into the glitter bag. I'm just going to pop that on the inner corner. Kind of the messier the better, really. To finish off this look, I'm now going to add some gems, which are from Barry M, and I'm going to do them kind of randomly around the eyebrow and under the eye to add a touch of sparkle. And what I'm going to do, because these are set out in a sticker, is just take a pair of tweezers and pull the gem off the sticker, and then you can just pop it onto your face with a little bit of eyelash glue. So this is the finished Euphoria inspired makeup look using products that you can find on Look Fantastic. Please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and seeing how I created this look right here. I think it's super fun and I would absolutely love to wear this for a future festival. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's been great fun creating this look for you, and thank you so much to Look Fantastic for featuring me on your channel, and I hope you are all well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!